first thing that I'd like to discuss today is departments. So here in my CSV, I have the department ID column, and you just want to verify. So I'm going to just make that a little bit smaller. And so I'm going to go over here, and this is actually department maintenance, and I see here, the ID. And so this ID here needs to correspond with the ID here. And so department ID 11 in this case is poultry. So here we can match it up. So you need to verify that every ID in the department ID column can be mapped to a representative department. Next, I'd like to mention taxes. So taxes need to have, again, the appropriate tax column. So we saw there's a 33. And so when I go here and click taxes, there should be a corresponding tax ID of 33. And so the ID is listed here. And so we see 39. 40. So the IDs are 39 and 40, so this does not correspond. I'm actually going to leave it in here just for testing purposes today. Additionally, there's the food stamp flag, the scale flag, and the active flag. So I always recommend leaving the active flag true and the wickable flag set to 0. After taxes, I'd recommend looking into your UPCs. So how are your UPCs structured? And there's a few types of UPCs that we do not accept in our system. I'll just go ahead and show you, for example. So here we have a 4-digit UPC. If this was a 14-digit UPC, we would reject it. If there's commas in the UPC, we will reject it. If there's characters, letters in the UPC, we will reject it. So some systems let you do, we call it strange things, like entering letters in the UPC field. We want to make sure that the integrity of your data is good. We've found from our stores that have grown with us from 1 store to 50 stores, the integrity of their data is very valuable as you scale. Maybe your organization doesn't need that much structure right now, but as you scale and as you grow, organization is really your best friend. One more thing along the line of UPCs, we call them 002 or random weight products. So 002, and then there's a 4-digit PLU, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and so that's the PLU that you enter on your label scale. After that, there's the middle character, and then after that, there is 5 characters for the price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so the 5 characters for the price, please leave those blank, or please leave those as zeros. And that is the way to enter a 002 random weight product in our system. Okay, so here in the import product page, we are going to select, well, you can select here or you can download the template. So when you download the template, you can see that the columns are predefined, so that's going to make sense here. So basically when I select this, I'm going to import this template, and when I press add update, you'll see that my UPC, my description, cost, normal price, they're all matching up. So this is perfect. But if you don't use the template, then you'll need to select the drop down and choose accordingly. And then just go ahead and press OK. And just keep in mind that we intentionally had a few faulty products here, just to kind of show you the next step. So if your products don't succeed, how to handle that. So here we go. So it looks like we just had one product with an issue and there was a problem with the tax. So if you remember, we didn't insert a wrong tax. So we're just going to go here to taxes, select the correct tax, press save, and we have successfully imported around 1,000 products. Good job.